Welcome to another blue sky week. By the end of this one, we have running water and a tiled countertop in the primary head. He's Bill, I'm Jeannie. We're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, blue sky. Welcome to our journey.
I am making some PEX setups, little T's for the water. That one's going to go like that. Jeannie has the other one, which is a little different because of distance of lines. But anyway, we're making these guys up, and then they'll hook to the braided cable. Jeannie is cleaning off the little burrs it likes to leave.
And there is the PEX block that we're going to hook into.
Oh, so looking forward to climbing up in there.
Guess I can reach maybe. Yep. Ugh. They have a washer inside them.
A rubber washer.
No, you're still in my spot here.
I don't know what your spot is.
I had you over here. Right here's my spot. Oh, jeez. First time I ever had that walk like that.
Oh, stop!
What?
Is it not tearing that silver?
I'm not. That's just the outside cover that keeps the insulation in.
Okay.
No, it didn't, amazingly enough. Let's see where that hole is in alignment to. Silly thing. Yeah. Exploded the plywood in here. That'll work. There it goes. See if we can install this guy now. See, I got the cold water line in there. Okay, let's just sit in the back. So we'll do that. So if we hop over here, bring this guy in. Okay. Oh, pretty good there. Okay, doesn't want to be bent. Come on. Okay, plumbing yoga. Oh, I hate doing plumbing inside sinks. It's always such a joy.
Okay, you want to come watch up here while I turn water on? I am done for the evening. We got the rest of the plumbing, those 2 lines there and 2 lines there.
Down to the manifold. Need to add the labels, but yeah, there are the 2 of them, and they're off in T's.
So I guess we're at the tile point, so maybe we'll do the tile tomorrow night. Later. One of the issues we had was, of course, we wanted to center the sinks in these locations, and they both hit framings. So I'm going to drill at an angle so I know where the center is, and then I'm going to cut about a 4-inch chunk, 4 or 5 inches down all around so that we can install the drains. This is my marker hole. Ready? Yep, I know where that guy is. Go 4 inches down, all the way to there, all the way to there. Piece of Okay. Come on, do something. Okay, let's do the other side now. There's the spot for that out. Okay, we're going to attempt to cut the tile in here with this new little Ryobi handheld tile saw. It has a water feed bottle, which I'll put in a moment. Set up a fence here for me to push up against so I can do this angle cut. We're also going to throw the vacuum onto the back here, and hopefully any of the water that's spraying out will be, for the most part, sucked up by our wet vacuum. Maybe clean up a wet mess anyway. Come on. Guess you're in. Okay, there's that. Put that on. Ready? I don't think we're getting any water. Our first piece. We're going to put some diluted Dawn detergent on the board to make it a little easier to slide the saw. We have also figured out you got to push this down really hard to get it all the way down in there. It was not all the way in, that's why we were getting no water. So we should get water now. Hopefully we won't get the dust storm. We will find out. Okay, turning vacuum on, water on. Yep, and that did a much cleaner.
Looks like chocolate milk.
Go ahead and lick it up. That definitely seems to be a fairly easy way to cut these larger format tiles, because to get a tile saw that can do these, it would be massive, and even just renting one would be pretty expensive. These are 30 by, well, almost 31 by 15s. The next cuts we're going to have to do some long ones and the same angle. Definitely got room for a 1/16 of an inch grout line here and there. And there are the first two pieces. Cool. Ow!
Oh.
Yeah, well, we have to cut some off.
Is this enough of a grout line? That's going to be hard to cut.
Moved.
Looks good. Call it a night?
Oh yeah, later. Yeah, it's my thumb.
Don't cut that off.
I want to make sure I cut off enough. I don't want to have to do a double cut. You're right, yeah. Helps if you lower the blade. Ah.
Will it fit?
Probably misread the tape measure. It's supposed to be 27 and something, and I read it as 26.
Caulk.
Yeah, I don't think caulk will fix an inch of missing material. Ah! A little too big. This may need to come out a tiny bit. I don't know. Yeah, could have used just a tiny bit more off that. No, we're getting a little tightness right there. There, we seem to be down. Lengthwise, we're really good.
Sand it?
I was going to try. I want to see how dusty it is, though. I don't know if that's making much difference. Of course, now it's going to get stuck down in there and not be willing to come out. We are getting ready to grout the tiles in the bathroom. We need apparently about 10 pounds worth of thin set. So I am making a wonderful mess here. Put our little air filter to work. Don't need the lime burning the inside of my throat. We're at 2.2. 3.6. I think we may be in a bigger container. 4.6. 5. Somewhat wet on one side and very dry on the other. I think we let it sit for 10 minutes. Okay, let me see the first small piece of tile. Give me the metal piece. I want to go ahead and get it started. At least sitting in the material. Okay, let's butter up the next one. There in front. We got the tile installed, so I'm going to start taking the spacers and tape off, and we can start grouting here in a little while. Yeah, I like those. Those are nifty. Those all seem good. That's creamier. This is more of a stark gray, and the creamier. So this would be a blue gray, and that'd be maybe a red gray. I'm fine with that.
Me too.
We'll go ahead and start with this. Okay, is this stuff still any good? Oh yeah, cool. So there's the finished granite countertop, and I think we're going to get that outlet moved, and the one that, oh, well, that's going to be great fun. Should have moved that one before we put, well, I guess I can take this wall off. No, I can't. I can't take that wall off. Great. Yeah, I mean, that one's stuck down in there. I have to cut the hole there in order to get it out. I don't know what I was thinking. As Maz was said, Captain Dum Dum struck, or in my case, Captain Geriatric. So anyway, we're going to move that outlet too, which is going to be really fun since it's behind that thing. I'm going to go ahead and cut the hole there, which I wasn't planning to do. Later.
Are you getting close to coming through?
Yeah. Took 45 minutes with the first one. This one seems to maybe be going better, but I don't know. Whatever the set is that I had at one time for doing the granite, cut all the holes in the granite in a minute, maybe a minute and a half per hole. This thing is like fake diamonds on here, and the pilot bit is a joke. It's just a piece of, no, what I need is one of the freaking good diamond bits I have at home.
This is absolutely crap. Oh, this is the stupidest design of a bit I've ever seen. I may have to just go home because this is just such crap. I'm sending this piece of crap back. This is just ridiculous.
It's falling apart. It's done. Hasn't even done a complete hole. Just there. Okay, there's both sinkholes. So those are in. What a pain in the butt. That little tool from Amazon is absolute crap.